I guarantee that at least one of you guys have thought about drilling a hole through your phone. And if not, then you're gonna figure out why you should or probably shouldn't do it in this video. I have this iPhone SE here. This is from my hot tub test video, and I'm gonna be drilling a hole through it. So I have a drill here, and I'm just gonna start at the Apple logo, and we're gonna see just what happens if you try and drill a hole through your iPhone's Apple logo. And the drill died, so I gotta charge this. So far, just a scratch, not bad. All right, so it's the next day. I let this thing charge. I'm here with Meowtech now. And let's just drill a hole through this thing. Hopefully...
I think we should, like, hold it still somehow.
Where's the battery? The battery's, like, over here, right?
Here.
So I guess I'm gonna try...
Shouldn't we do this on, like, a more steady surface?
Around here is where there's no battery, right?
That is where the battery is.
Oh.
Why don't you do it there?
Here?
Oh. Let me put it under my shoe, actually.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, let me back this out. Wow, that's like...
If we went a little bit more, it would have gone through the glass.
I'm gonna try and get it through the glass. Actually, let's make another hole, like, right down here, so we can put it on, like, a wristband.
Hit it.
Okay, yeah, we did it. Can you let it out?
Let's do it from this side now.
Let's do the home button. Touch ID.
Wait, make a hole on this side first, like.
Alright. Oh.
Just run it a little bit.
Yeah, let's do the Touch ID button.
Oh!
Let me see.
We can put it on there, rub it up, and then let it go down. We gotta get this data destroyed. Very confidential, you know.
Okay, hopefully this doesn't come up and hit my car. What about the camera? Flash. Ah. Bottom. Whoa. How about the other way?
We have these little camera lenses now.
Yeah. Look at the, like, ceramic, this dust coming up. Okay, how about over here? It's gonna go right through the battery if I do it there. Dude. Dude, look. What the hell?
You can show your plate now.
We're gonna do a tech
wreck.
wreck.
Nervous.
Mine reverse.
You need a vice.
What is this reverse?
No.
Well,
That's durable.
Or- Damn.
I think that's like stainless steel. That bracket. Oh my. What happened to your floor here?
Yeah.
You should see if that's gonna come off.
What, the phone? Or?
This. Yeah, it
That's
does.
just glass dust.
This stuff is pretty durable.
We have holes through the whole phone now.
Gotta get that front
What
camera.
is coming through?
Ultimate security iPhone, no cameras, no touch ID. It's flying. Oh, there we go.
It doesn't go through metal.
Yeah, so this phone is actually, I mean, we got it through the back, but I think the sides are maybe a little thicker. Oh, look, there it goes, it's separating.
Okay, one last time.
Wow.
Sounds like a screwed up woodpecker. So from that, we have 2 holes right there, all the way through. Yeah.
These things don't bend.
So I'm gonna clean this up, and we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do with this, but yeah, thanks for watching, and goodbye.